Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all good. Okay, so in today's video, I will be teaching us how to make $5 every day on this survey site. So to those of you that doesn't know what survey means, it is just something that you just answer questions and then you get paid. Easy cash, easy money. And I'm sure you don't want to miss any part of this video because I'm going to guide you on how to answer questions correctly and get paid. So first thing you will need to get is a very strong VPN because this survey site is not working in Nigeria. And I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description. So you just have to sign up and get a profile for yourself. After that, make sure you own VPN because you keep getting error message if you are not on VPN. Remember. So if you are already on this page, just pick a survey for yourself and start answering questions. So make sure you watch this video to the end because it will be very helpful for you. Okay, so here they ask how old are you, then you type in. I usually use 34. Make sure you choose white because remember this survey site is not working in Nigeria, so you have to pick white. Do you consider yourself to be Latino? Not Latino, yeah. Then make sure you follow this video, please, because if you choose the wrong answer, then you keep getting screened out. So make sure you follow this video to the end because in the next video I will be teaching us how to create a UK PayPal account in Nigeria. And if you need any question, you can comment on the comment section. I'm going to reply you. So make sure you watch the video to the end and see how I got paid. Make sure you watch the end to see how I got paid. If you are answering your question, make sure you follow this video so you won't mistaking any question. Do you understand? Make sure you watch to the end. I have a lot of service app I work on, so I get paid every week. And so I actually make $5 every day per on one site. Do you understand? So make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more survey sites that will pay. I actually do save up my $5 every week for a month. So at the end of the month, I usually cash out like $300, $400. Do you understand? So you can just keep doing this survey every day. Keep up your $5. Then at the end of the month, you might decide to cash out your $5 by weekend. You don't understand? Like you just have to save more. Then the more you save, the more you earn more. Do you understand? So make sure you watch this video to the end and subscribe. If you need any question, if you need to ask question, just comment. I will reply you guys. Do you understand me? Subscribe for more videos because next video I will be posting another survey site and another video on how to create UK PayPal for yourself. Do you understand? Make sure you watch this video to the end. You need all these demographics for real. Because you can't just be answering questions. Do you understand? They might just screen you out if you are not answering the question right. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So in this video you will see how I got paid for this question I'm answering. So just relax and wait to the end. Make sure you watch to the end. Okay. In the next 6 months, do you believe the US economy will improve significantly? Yeah. How confident are you in the current government ability to manage the economy efficiently? Very confident. How would you describe your personal financial situation in blah 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 blah? Stable. Looking ahead, how do you expect your financial situation to change from now? Blah blah blah. Much better. What is the single important problem you can now just use what's it called, AI? Just minimize answer, type in an answer. After that, you click next. After that, you click next. Complex and subjective. Next. Okay, which of the blah 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 concerning right now? I think unemployment. There's actually a demographics file for this survey. Like, you can just comment on the comment section and let me know if you need the demographic instead of you watching this video every time you need to create an account. Do you understand? You just have the file with you, then it's just like a PDF file. Do you understand? So how often do you pay attention to what's going on in government, blah blah? That's most of the time. Do you vote in 2022? Just say yes. Just say yes. In which state are you registered to vote? I think California. This is a city. You have to choose state. California. That will be California ASAP. Choose next. Where will you blah 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 digitally? I think. Okay. Do you think of yourself having any particular opportunity having independence? These are part of the demographics you need to have before you register for the survey site. Actually, can you see? I got paid. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. You've earned 15 points. Can you see? I just earned 15 points answering those questions. Very simple. Make sure you follow. Do you understand? Subscribe to this channel. Make sure you comment. If you need to ask any question, just subscribe to the channel and comment. So as you can see, I've already earned up to $4. So in few more service now, I'll